everyone, Michelle here from Scrappy Soul Sister, and I am here with you today with a unboxing video for the May limited edition kit from my creative scrapbook. And so as you can see, this is just a light and lovely color combination. And so and we haven't, this is Prima. Serene Petals is the name of the collection, and it's been a while since we've had a Prima collection, so I am excited to go through this. So let's start with the papers. Now on the back of the cover sheet you have some cut aparts, and this really tells a story of what the layout is like. Lots of pinkish lavenders, some soft celeries, some soft green, and just that vintage feel. And there is an additional cut apart as well with the peonies, bows, butterflies, and I mean you do get a bit of a wedding vibe from it, as far as you definitely can use it for weddings and such, but it is not a wedding theme. So and you'll see when we go through the ephemera pack, more of the same, just kind of a soft celebration type of collection. So and with a lot of the papers you get 2 of each, and so I have set them up so that you can see the B side and the A side together. So that is what this is. So there is this beautiful door, some beautiful flowers, butterflies. Now a lot of these papers do have a lot of story type of feel to them, storybook feel, and so that's just really popular right now, and so it will be fun to see what we all come up with. But you can cut elements of it apart, or you can use the back side, which is this lovely almost silver platinum color with some inset patterns with that, and then the borders as well. And so the next piece is this lovely notebook with the tire swing. So cute, very easy to do a photo here, and do some fun things around it. And then on the back side is this lovely wood grain feel. It definitely has a plank vibe to it, but in more of a kind of a maybe a celery color, maybe a little bit more yellow to it than that. And then isn't this adorable? I love the wood, I'm sorry, the brick in here, the clock, the butterflies, the laundry. Oh my gosh, so pretty. And it's almost like, oh my gosh, I just like it as is, but we will make it better. And so on the back is this gorgeous pink brick. Love that. And then this is a nice kind of, it has the peonies in the corner, beautiful, and kind of a like wood doors maybe, or shutters in the background, but it kind of has more of an all over type of feel with the peonies and the greenery. And on the back is this lovely kind of watercolor mixed media feel with just a really light, maybe mocha color there with that. And then this gorgeous door with the columns, wrought iron, peonies down here. Oh my gosh, just so pretty. And another wood plank, and so I am digging all of the wood grain for sure, with the pattern off to the sides. And then this one with the bridge. I love the hanging lights. More peonies, some maybe cosmos. And then on the back is like a mauve mixed media piece. And so all of those were the Prima. You'll also get in your papers this memory place. Lavender Love is what it's called, and it kind of has a tile in the back and a little bit more purples to mix in, but it mixes in really well. If you look at the Prima group, it also has some different purple variations in it as well. Some golds, and then on the back, I just love this. So I love the kind of starry type of feel to it, just gorgeous. And then finally, you get from American Craft, Best Wishes, a perfect match. And so it has kind of a medallion look throughout. And then this truly is more of a celery with this kind of herringbone pattern. So pretty, pretty, pretty. Love it all. Also in your kit, you get the stickers that come with the Serene Petals group. And so some borders, some things you can use for titles, and then some more word sentiments back on the other side. But as you can see, best little moments, big time bless, love you forever, hello. So just some really easy to use, home sweet home, cute, easy to use for everyday pictures. So this is the ephemera pack. 78 pieces come in this pack. And so between this and the cut aparts, you have a good amount of paper embellishments to use. And you do get 2 of each, so that's nice. And so I will open these up and spread them out at the end, as well as these 3x4 cards that you get. Now some of them have sentiments. Chocolate doesn't ask silly questions. Chocolate understands. So there you go. That is for sure. But I won't read through all of them, but I will spread them out at the end. And then it is kind of that lovely it's almost like twisted citron, right? Maybe just a little bit softer than that on the back that you can use as bases or to cut out tags. As always, the star of the show are the flowers, and you get 3 packs. So the first one I'll show you is this lovely Prima flower with the pinks and the lavenders and then the greens. And so this pack in particular, it has some different smaller ones, some different shapes. I really like having that variation, as well as some closed buds. The second one is also from Prima, and you get 3 of the large flowers and 3 of the buds. And these, don't have much of a profile to them. You could always take out the yellow part if you wanted to. And they're a nice light color, so if you wanted to dye them another color, then you can certainly do that. And then finally, we have this set from Little Birdie that has more of the pinks and a cream and some lovely foliage, as well as some buds in this one as well. For the stencil, we get this one from Stamperia. And so this one has, some great border stencils. It has kind of a wood grain. And then here, let me put it against something white. Maybe you'll be able to see it better. It has like a trail of flowers and foliage. And then this one that has kind of some grasses and some butterflies. So lots of different options with this particular stencil. And finally, this is the sketch for this month. And so I don't know why my printer decided to print it in this color. I don't know if it's telling me it's out of black, but here we go. It's easy for you to see, right? And so this is by Laura Creates. So it has a frame around it. It has the film strips, very cute, some banner tails, a tag, some embellishments here, here, and here. So very fun sketch to play with. So let me break out I'll spread out the cards and the ephemera, and I'll be right back. And some more iconic pieces. So a little fence, the beautiful door and journal, clock face, a journal page, some bird elements, and then we have some butterflies as well as an actual bird, and then some foliage here. And like I said at the beginning, you get 2 of each piece. So I just am showing you here singles, and just because I didn't want it to be too cluttered, but you do get 2 of each piece. So let's look at the cards. Smiles. And then on the back, as we talked about before, they're all this lovely kind of citron color. So there you go. That is the kit for this month. The cut files are available to members online, so you can size them and cut them as you like in the size that you like. So I'm sure you'll be seeing some designers using the cut files as well. So have fun, enjoy the kit, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you.